Hey guys, Andrew here from Veurink's RV, and we are down here at the 2022 RV show in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and I am here with Ryan from Dutchmen, and we're standing in one of the new 2022 Astoria fifth wheels, and today we just want to talk about some of the new features and some of the things that are making these an exceptional fifth wheel. So Ryan, what are some of the things that you've changed in here that are really catching people's eye?
Yeah, Andrew, so this was a big year for us, obviously kind of moving into this show season. We were super excited with some of the changes we made coming into this year. A lot of things got a lot brighter. You'll see a lot more modern look to this particular unit. This is our Astoria 3173. It's our top selling floor plan. And as you can see, we went lighter on a lot of the features. We accented that with some gold accents with a matte black finish on the sink. You still have your big appliances and a lot of the cool things that made Astoria such a household name. The construction, the vacuum bonded floors and walls, the HyperDeck composite flooring, things like that the brand was kind of known for, and then we just added a few different features to it this year.
Yeah, I also noticed you guys decided to go away from the carpet and the slide. I think that has a really nice transition. So it gives you that look of more floor space, actually, where you're not so much broken up with the rooms.
Absolutely, and that's one thing that we always heard. People didn't like the carpet in the slide box. You spill something on there, your kids, your pets, things like that. It makes that carpet very difficult to clean. So we did away with the carpet. We also took away the pedestal on the freestanding dinette, mounted that to the wall. Again, clean up that space, give you a little more livability in it.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you guys did great with the accents. Loving the gold accents. That's something that's coming back. I also really like the backsplash that you guys decided to do. And I really do like, some people don't like it, but I really like the backsplash in the bathroom kitchen because I think it looks timeless and classic.
And I couldn't agree with you more. That's just a great look. You got to come check it out. You got to come see the brand new Astoria 3173 here at Veurink's at the Grand Rapids RV show. You won't be disappointed.
Yeah, come on down, guys. We have a few reps here. Ryan would love to talk to you guys about some of these Astorias and tell you why they're better than everybody else. So stop on down this year. We'd be glad to talk to you.